Welcome to the VaZing How-To series. Today we're going to learn how to create a multi-work order service. Multi-work order services are jobs that consist of multiple visits out to the customer's worksite in order to complete all of the work. For example, let's say you're hired to construct a new deck for a residential house. To do this, you can create a multi-work order service called deck construction that contains 4 different work orders. First one would be preparation, preparing the area for the new deck. Second would be construction, the building of the deck. Third would be painting, which would be painting and weatherproofing services. And fourth would be cleanup, cleaning up any waste products and overall making the deck ready for use. The first step to creating a multi-work order service is to go ahead and create the service. Starting from the dispatch board, find the employee that you want to perform the work and the time slot at which the service's first work order will be performed. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click the Open Time slot. VaZing will present you with 2 different paths. Here you'll make sure the Service option button is selected and click OK. On this page, you'll tell VaZing the customer for whom you'll be performing work. You can select an existing customer from the VaZing database, search for a customer by typing search criteria into the search field, or click New to add a new customer. Here you'll go ahead and select Suzanne Hernandez, and the new service page appears. Everything about the overall service, like status, a summary, marketing campaign, will be stored in the Services Service Information tab. Detailed information about the specific visits or tasks, including the products and services being sold or performed during those visits, will be stored in the individual work order tabs. In turn, all of these products and services will be rolled up onto the services invoice. So think of the Service Information tab as the umbrella that encompasses all of the tasks or work orders beneath it. So here, we'll store all the general information about the work. And you could select a substatus from the substatus list, marketing campaign, or enter information in custom fields if you'd like. Once you've defined the general information about the service, the next step is to define how many work orders this service will contain. To do this, type the number of work orders you want and the how many work orders will this service have. So here you'll go ahead and type 4. Note that this field is only available for new services. Once the service is saved, this field will no longer appear. Once you've defined all of the service's general information, go ahead and click the next link. And the service's first work order will appear. You'll know that it's the first work order because the work order number will contain a dash after it. Since we've added 4 work orders to this service, the 4 work orders will be 261-1, 261-2, 261-3, and 261-4. Next, we'll define the values for this work order in the usual manner. Go ahead and type out the summary. And you can scroll down to add charges and employee assignments as necessary. Once you've completed, scroll to the top and click the next link. The next work order will appear. You can see it's the second work order because of the -2 on the work order number. Again, we'll define out the values of the work order. Once you've completed, go ahead and click Next to move to the next work order, and we'll define the 3rd and 4th work orders in the same manner. And now the final work order. Schedule it for the 22nd. After you've created all the work orders for the service, go ahead and save your work. Once the service has been saved, you can click on the Work Orders tab to see details about all of the work orders. Here we can see all 4 work orders that we've just created. You can edit the details of each work order by clicking on the Edit button, or delete a work order by clicking Delete. And that's how you create a multi-work order service in VaZing. Combining multiple work orders together into one service helps you easily manage and keep track of complex, multi-visit projects. Multiple work order service management. Just one more thing you'll love about VaZing. For one-on-one personal assistance, please either contact your bootcamp instructor or log into VaZing's live chat.